For me, the 911 has always been the most iconic sports car. Its curves, its straight lines, they just complement each other. When you hear the distinctive sound of that flat six roaring, it really gets the adrenaline pumping. I'm a film producer and photographer from Horwich, a small town in the northwest of England. Anytime where the roads are quiet and I can get out and put my foot down, I get this urge to get out and explore with my camera. I'd always been drawn to the 996. It was the 911 of my generation. That iconic silhouette, it's just a timeless design. These Fuchs wheels are just unbelievable, and it's given my 911 a real heritage classic car look. Forged with high-strength aluminium, super lightweight, extra durable. The lower unsprung mass gives the 911 more stability and traction. For me, the 911s are built for sweeping bends and long straights, undulating hills, sharp hairpins, and yeah, just really pushing it. I guess it's just cemented the fact that I'm going to keep this car forever.